This is pretty cool. Trey, a goalie that grew up loving the Avs. Look at Trey. Watch him back in the nets 3 years ago. You see him with his glove, and there's Darcy Kemper with his glove. Him and his team, the Boulder Rough Rider 12 and under AA HP team, got a chance to earn their way to the Quebec Pee Wee tournament and wear the burgundy and blue. They won 3-2 in overtime on Monday night at Magnus and will represent the Avs at this year's tournament. So congratulations to all of the Rough Riders. Know you're going to do awesome in Quebec. Make us proud. That's the largest Pee Wee tournament on planet Earth.
Pretty cool, guys. It's all about what dreams are made of, right? Watching young kids turn things into realities, and professional teams have a big hand in that inspiration.
No doubt about it.